Hi, we have a new toy and it's a Miles Morales Spider-Man toy. So we're gonna open it. So wait a few seconds. We have it open now. Look at the back. So this is painted by Peter Parker's suit, and it's from Spider-Man in and All the Spider-Verse. Look at the back and the details on it. It's so amazing. It doesn't move his head. And arm rotation, and the legs and the walk. I need to fix it. This is the walk motion. Ab motion. This is the lap motion. Okay guys, I'm gonna play with my new toys. See you in the next episode. Bye.